Hello everyone, this is Vinay Patkamuri. Today I am going to discuss about the methods of sorting and organizing the files and photos of RAWE and AIA program in a systematic manner, so that it will not create any disturbance while selecting or while searching for the photos during the program or after the program for extracting the photos and taking the physical print of the photos. I have created a folder named SCSP College RAWE 2021, which will help me in searching easily in the search bar. So in that folder, I have divided the entire RAWE into mainly three portions. That is village attachment, plant clinic attachment, unit attachment so far, and also there is a additional industrial attachment is there. So in the village attachment is the first part of SRP 401, that is a student ready program 401. I am going to explain you about this. In the village attachment program, there are 10 subjects in the program, starting from the agronomy to extension education. Every folder is subdivided into mainly two sections, that is schedules and demonstrations. There are varies of 2 to 4 or 2 to 5 demonstrations based on the subject and based on the availability of the demonstrations. There are merely 1 to 2 schedules for each subject based according to our syllabus. When we talk about the schedules, in the plant pathology, there is only one schedule, that is it is divided into 1A and 1B. I have written in the pages and then I have scanned it, and then I have preserved that in the form of a PDF. Suppose when I open it, you can see it. It's a RAWE program 2021. It's my name and details and rest of the details which I have filled in the schedule. Then in the there is an extra column in the extinction one, that is for the reports. There we need to prepare the reports of different online activities we have performed and rest of the activities we have carried out in this in this program, village attachment program. In this one, I have done Krishi Din or Krishi Sapta from the 1st July to 7th of July. I have performed Bell Pola and various other activities such as blood donation camp, and I have attended a few webinars in this period, which I have prepared a detailed report on the webinars I have attended and etc. in a letter format, and then I have written a detailed report on the webinars I have attended in this lockdown period and in this village attachment period. When we talk about the soil science and agriculture chemistry, in which I have listed out the various deficiencies in my area, and I have collected few samples of photos, that is before treatment and after treatment. For example, I will show you this is a potassium deficient in the rose, and this is the plant which I have treated. After the treatment, the deficiency symptoms have been reduced, so that we can easily sort out and organize our files in an easy manner. Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.